The fact of the matter is 98% of every federal dollar raised by the Internal Revenue Service is paid into the IRS, quote unquote, voluntarily. And what I mean by voluntarily is the IRS's definition of voluntary is the act of an individual or a business paying their taxes without IRS intervention. That's what voluntary means. It doesn't mean you have the choice to do it or not. It means that you pay the tax without IRS intervention. Now think about this. We're talking about $5.5 trillion a year that's paid into the federal government through taxes of one kind or another. 98% of that money comes in without IRS intervention. Only 2% of the revenue, and this is a historic number. This is not just a number plucked off a balance sheet here. Historically, across the board, the IRS collects about 2% of the revenue through enforcement action. Obviously, it is far better to teach people what to do because the American taxpayer does not want to have trouble with the IRS. People don't want to get sideways with the Internal Revenue Service. They want to do what they're supposed to do. They want to pay their taxes to the extent humanly possible in terms of the financial load. They want to pay their taxes and they don't want to get in trouble with the IRS. People don't wake up one morning and say, how can I piss off the IRS today? I know, I'll stop paying taxes. People don't do that. They want to stay in compliance with the law. And if they know what they're supposed to do, they will do it. In fact, way back in the early 1990s, former IRS Commissioner Shirley Peterson made the comment. She said much of what we call non-compliance with the tax code is not non-compliance at all. It's misunderstanding. And she pointed out that people will do what they're supposed to do if they understand what they're supposed to do.